Hi, this video will show you how to change a dispenser button on the Perfect Parfait fresh yogurt dispenser. The very first thing you want to do is locate the power button in back of the machine and turn that off. And the second thing you need to do is remove the yogurt out of the inside of the machine. And the third thing you want to do is remove the drip tray. And then take a Phillips screwdriver and take the side screws off of the front panel. And then again on this side. All right, I'm going to open the door and then gently remove the front apron. Make sure the machine is off. Just pull that apart just like this. And here is your dispenser button right there. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take and hold these two wires and you're going to pry this little blue pin or molded part right here. Pull that pin out so the wires come out just like that. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to loosen the screw. I have my finger holding the button on this side so it comes up. Like that, and then it pushes through. Just like that. Now, there is a black washer on the back. You want to keep that there. And let's say this is the new button. You're going to hold that washer there, put the new button through, put it all the way through. Make sure the washer goes back on. And just push that all the way down. Put the screw back on. And it's fine to hand tighten. Just hold the other side of the dispense button with your finger and turn the screw as tight as you can with your fingers. And if you have a pair of pliers, you can use those as well. And then take the wire and plug it back. It does not matter whether it's this way or this way. Just plug it back into the dispense button. And then gently, as you can see, there's a lot of wires here and holes. So just gently work your way back in. And then put the screws back on and you're back in business.